हे गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम पढ़ेंगे ट्राइज ऑफ क्रूप। द मेडिसिन्स ऑफ ट्राइज ऑफ क्रूप आर एकोनाइट, स्पॉन्जिया एंड हेपासल्फ। नाउ व्हाट इज क्रूप? Croup is a viral respiratory infection that affects children upper respiratory tract, particularly the larynx and trachea. It causes swelling and narrowing of air passage, making breathing difficult and produce barking cough. The first remedy is aconite. The common name of aconite is monkshood. Thoric miasm, no relation with heat and cold, still seem to be warm-blooded. Tension is the keynote of aconite. It is indicated in first stage of any acute case which comes suddenly and violently like a storm. There is great fear and anxiety of mind, unquenchable thirst for large quantity of water. When it comes to treating croup, aconite is the preferred remedy for sudden attack that come on without warning before midnight. Aconite is the first of the homeopathic trio of croup, used only within the first 24 hours. If aconite is not available, it is not recommended to give it next day, as it is most effective in the first few hours of inflammation. In this case, spongia is the next choice of remedy. अगर अचानक से हमारी तबीयत खराब हो जाए, मीन्स सडन अटैक आ जाए, तो इस केस में हम एकोनाइट प्रेफर करेंगे, बट यूज़ ओनली विद इन दी फर्स्ट 24 आवर। अगर हमारे पास एकोनाइट अवेलेबल नहीं है तो नेक्स्ट डे हम एकोनाइट यूज़ नहीं करेंगे, बिकॉज इट इज़ मोस्ट इफेक्टिव इन फर्स्ट फ्यू आवर्स ऑफ इन्फ्लेमेशन। इस केस में हमारी नेक्स्ट चॉइस ऑफ रेमेडी जो होगी वो होगी स्पॉन्जिया। Cause from exposure to dry cold air. Character: it is sudden and violent. It may be croupy in nature. Cough is dry, hard, barking cough. Cough and loud breathing during expiration but not during inspiration. Every expiration ends with a coarse hacking cough. Fear of choking to death, high fever, dry skin, anxiety and restlessness. Ringing and whistling. Aggravation on expiration, evening and night. Better in open air. Now the second remedy is spongia. Common name roasted sponge. Chilly patient having all three meals. If no improvement in child condition, 15 minutes after administration the aconite, then spongia is the second option. अब अगर एकोनाइट देने के 15 मिनट बाद भी हेल्थ में कोई इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं है तब हम स्पॉन्जिया देंगे। स्पॉन्जिया इज इफेक्टिव कफ मेडिसिन. इट इज़ रिकमेंडेड टू यूज स्पॉन्जिया फ्रॉम homeopathic trio of group as the second option after aconite or the first if the child already developed dry cough. Great dryness in mucous membrane of air passage indicated in children with fair complexion. No mucus trail with the group. Cause from exposure to dry cold wind and cold drinks. Cough is dry, barking, ringing, wheezing and whistling. Burning and stinging and tickling which cause cough. Croup bursts during inspiration and before midnight. Fear of choking to death. Difficult inspiration. Breathing harsh and dry. Croup does not extend below the larynx. Aggravation when lying down and before midnight. Better by warm food and drinks. Now the third remedy is hepasulf. Highly chilly patient having all three meals. It is the third choice of remedy from homeopathic trio of croup. Hepasulf is a great cough remedy, useful later on, not usually on the first day. Hyper is hyper in all its action, hypersensitive and hyperimpulsive. Cause from cold air. Cough is dry, deep, rough and barking. Dry, croupy cough with choking. Great soreness of chest. Rattling, choking cough coming on or getting worse in the early hour of the morning. The child chokes with every cough. The patient goes on coughing and sweating. Every little motion causes slight perspiration. Cough comes on as soon as the child lies down at night and bursts toward morning. No expectoration at night but only in daytime. Rattling of mucus. There is sphincter-like sensation in throat as if a fish bone or plug is sticking in the throat. Throat is very much sensitive to touch. Aggravation in morning, dry cold air. Better by warm, damp, wet weather. यू कैन सी द इमेज. जब एक ग्रुप का सडन अटैक होगा तब एकोनाइट पहले अटैक करेगा. अगर एकोनाइट प्रॉपर वर्क नहीं कर पा रहा है तो उसके बाद स्पॉन्जिया एंड देन हेपासल्फ. थैंक यू. प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल.